Hey guys, good afternoon. Andy here with Expert Renovation. We just finished up our little storage building, utility shed makeover. Last week we put some certainteed landmarks in colonial slate, synthetic underlayment, drip edge. We roofed the house 2 years ago. Came back today, replaced the rotten wood around the bottom, trimmed out the fascia in metal, put some all-side Coventry in platinum gray D5 siding on it. Took all that rotten window trim off. Nice touch of class in the backyard. And a huge improvement over the option of painting, replacing siding, which would have just continued the nonsense. A little tight back there, but no problem. And that's it. So again, if we can help you out with your exterior renovation projects, roofing, windows, siding, gutters, wood replacement, exterior painting, we've got the crews and equipment experience to make it easy for you and get it right the first time. Please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Have a great weekend. Thank you for watching.